An old PYE radio. And she is doing very little. Made in the Republic of Ireland. Don't see that too often. That's a lot of years. That's that out. That should all slide straight out. There we go. See what it's like. Put a contact cleaner in that. There's the old transformer. Main thing I want to do is get some contact cleaner into these pots here for the volume and for the volume and tone. Apart from that, this should work alright. Test these bulbs as well, see if they still work. That's are cleaned up a wee bit. Not going to do a massive amount of this. Let's face it, there's no real value in them. Cleaned out the receiver, used contact spray on a few things, tidied everything up, checked all the contacts. All the wiring seems good. One of the bulbs doesn't seem to work. Cleaned out the switches, checked all the caps. None of them appear to be blown. No resistors seem to be broken. All looks good. So we'll give it a wee test here now. Obviously, we'll need a speaker. That's that hooked up. Give her a wee bit of juice. Take a wee second for everything to actually come on. So only the one bulb working. I'll have to trace that back and see what the problem was there. Takes a wee bit of time for all these vacuum tubes to actually heat up.
Have been compounded by the fact that much of the territory is held by the...
We have voices anyway. Well, there you go, lads. That was a 1950s sight radio. Probably looked like.
8 points clear at the top and 18 points above third place Middlesbrough. There are also wins for Cardiff, Coventry, Norwich, Sunderland and Reading.
Oh, yeah.
Australia thrashed Bangladesh
Up
by
and
8
running again,
wickets to
anyway.
make it 2 wins from 2 at the Women's T20 World Cup, chasing...
Even some tunes on it.
Party. So I think, to say BJP is raiding BBC.
Running a wee bit smoother anyway.
Go rebut, yes.
Yeah, keep your man happy. It's got some volume, it's got some stations. And it's even still got some lights. This bulb works, this one doesn't. And the wee green hue thing still works as well, this wee boy. Not much of it though. It's only very, very faint. But don't know where the hell you get that to replace it now. But yeah, 1950s PYE radio, PYE.
There was 32 recommendations. As far as I know, and I rang on the Bryn before I came on the show, not one of the recommendations has been put in place. So what we have is an all-party expert group.
That's her, up and running anyway. Few stations, bit of volume. What else do you need?